Hello guys and welcome to this review about Lifestack AI. What is it? It is a AI assistant that not only helps you plan your day but actually makes your day more productive, focused and consistent. And that's what Lifestack promises. Let's first go over the main website and then we jump right into the program. Here it is, schedule your day with energy in mind. They have a web app and a Chrome extension to use. For example, you can see here the tasks and here the agenda. I will dive into that. And they got, for example, a AI scheduler. You can connect it with like all the wearables almost. I will show you later which wearables are compatible. You can also connect it with your Google Agenda, and that's what it makes it real easy to use. So here's a little video, some more information about the app and some reviews. Let's jump right into the app. Here we are. This is the home interview. I think it's clean and calming with like a strong focus on clarity and use. For example, here we have the tasks, and if we want to add a task, we just do, for example, make a video about Lifestack, and then we can add a time if we want to a project and say, for example, video making. Click on create. Now it's creating video making. We can select here add a label, for example, social, meeting, a light task. Let's say a light task, and then we click on create, and here we are. I have to add the labels too, my bad. We click on save and here we are. Now we see the task on Sunday, as you can see, and from here if we check it, then it gets crossed and it's done. You can also get the agenda if you want to. Then we just click on this little button and here you have a full agenda. I've not connected it now with my Google Calendar, so you cannot see all my tasks, but it helps you with the energy and how to divide it. So they have a AI daily planner, a habit tracking, a accountability system, focus tools and personal insights they give you. And here you can zoom out on the calendar, but let's actually use the AI scheduler. It plan your day instantly and it is in beta still. Let's do how many deep works. Let's do 4 hours, a light task, 1 hour 30 minutes. This is all one day. Then breakfast, of course, lunch, dinner, workout, and you can even add a new activity if you want to, right here, and which days. And then, for example, a task, create a video. So let's run it right here, and now it automatically makes our schedule. I did this one myself. Let's remove this one, and here we are. This is the ones they added, but we can also do it on the 14th. Let's run it right here, and let's say 30 minutes, and let's say a light task, and then all days. Click on save. No tasks are assigned to this day. We can add them in the agenda if you want to. And here we see it automatically makes our agenda for the 14th of April, for example. Some deep work, workout, dinner and video making. You can have your own preferences. If we go to, let's go back actually to here and then to settings. Here we are at settings, and if we click on here is our profile. But here you can sync it with your calendar, Google Outlook, etc. And these are all the wearables which are connected, or you can connect to Lifestack. For example, Health, Google Fit, Samsung Health, Strava, Oura Ring, Fitbit is of course popular, Garmin as well, and MyFitnessPal. So there are many options. You can also connect, for example, Trello, and Notion is coming as well, and here are 2 other kinds of apps. And here your energy preferences, focused work, I want it more energized. When I'm more energized I can do more work, and this is on your own preferences. And then you can click on the time format, 12 hours or 24 hours, and here are the tasks for the AI scheduler. You can also assign them here with the right time. You got the mobile app as well and the Chrome extension. We're up to date on any point. Let's click on exit again. What is good about Lifestack? I would say it gives you good suggestions and it really tries to help you plan your days. That's great. You don't need like an AI assistant anymore for your agenda. This really works well, and you can also use it on your phone, which is a big thumbs up for me. And it also creates like a consistency in your agenda. You don't have to think about everything, but you can just import it right here. You cannot buy it for teams, only if you contact them. It's currently best suited for individuals. and it might take a few days to get real nice with the program, so you know how it works, but after a while it's really working well, and that's why I think the app is really helping people out. Let's go actually over the pricing. Here we go to pricing. I will put down the link in the description. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll try to help you out. The annual plan is $3.50 a month, and with the link in the description you get a 7-day free trial. You can use it for yourself. The monthly plan is only $5 a month, and if you want a team plan, like I said before, you have to contact them. You get a 7-day free trial, the mobile app on iOS and Android, the Chrome extension, and unlimited calendars and tasks. And I think it's really affordable. It's not that expensive as other apps, which makes it actually a great fit. The conclusion of Lifestack is actually it has a personal productivity coach, and you don't have to hire anyone to make your agendas the right way. And it's user friendly, which I like, and it's not too expensive. If you want to try it, please give it a try. It's really worth it. If you have any questions, leave them down below.